Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match reaction time. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Scotland FC nil. Now, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. What did you make of that game? Were you happy about that? It's a win for Kaiser Chiefs. Mfundo Vilakazi scoring the only goal of the game in the first half. Look, for me, I think that was a dull game. For a friendly game, I think it was too tactical. I expected to see an end-to-end stuff. I expected us to be more free-flowing. I expected to see some repetition in terms of build-up and attacking patterns. And I thought we were playing in patches. This looked like a first preseason game, and mind you, this was our last preseason game before the season officially kicks off. We are just a few days away, from playing our first Betway Premiership game. So worrying signs, worrying signs. If you are uncomfortable being pressed by Scotland FC in a friendly game, then how are you going to deal with the pressure in the Betway Premiership in an official game? And bear in mind, you are playing Mamelodi Sundowns in our third game. So look, let's not think about Sundowns at the moment. Let's just focus on Kruger. Let's just focus on this game. As I've said, from the match's perspective, from a neutral perspective, it was too tactical, man, for a friendly game. We were supposed to see players expressing themselves. We were supposed to see individual brilliance, but seems like both teams were sticking to tactics. First half, I thought, um, yeah, we got a goal out of nothing. We got a goal out of nothing. Honestly, we didn't create nothing in that first half. We got our chances from transition. Yeah, we got our chances from transition, and most of the times we're in a mid block, which is something I don't wanna see in official games. I don't wanna see us playing a mid block. I don't want to see us playing on transition. I want us to dominate games. I want us to press high up the pitch. I want us to move the ball a bit quicker. I also want us to be dangerous in transition, of course, but that shouldn't be our core game. So yeah, I feel like there's still lots of work to do. Fernando da Cruz still has one hell of a job in his hand, and unfortunately for him, he doesn't have time. And one of the worst things to come out from this game, Bradley Cross got off injured, of course, in that first half, and seems like he twisted his ankle. I just hope, I just pray, it's not something that's serious, something that's going to keep him out for the first three or so games, because this guy is our only fit left-footed defender. Yeah, he's our only fit left-footed defender. We played Riff on the left today, and he was getting absolutely skinned. Um, we don't have okay, Rushin totally, yes, he's back, but he's not yet fully fit. So he might probably start featuring in September. So if Bradley Cross is out for like 3 games or so, we are definitely fucked. We are definitely fucked. So yeah, fingers crossed. The new signing, obviously, um, Adolphe Tasingwa played 90 minutes, and my honest thoughts about him, his performance today, I think it was a quiet game from him. I didn't see him, dropping, um, demanding the ball, breaking the lines. He played safe. He was playing safe. Yes, he wasn't, losing the ball, but I need him to take more risks. I need him to break the lines. I need him to carry the ball. He has good passing. That's what I saw. He has good passing, both long and short. So yeah, and it seems like he's going to be a starter. And I think it was a great thing to start him today and play him the entire 90 minutes. And Ox Mchecha obviously came in, and yeah, he's still Ox Mchecha. He's still Ox Mchecha. Ethan Chislet, I think, had a good game. I think had a brilliant game, even though he had to, drop a way deep, in order to get the ball, because Mabue and Mtasinga weren't progressing the ball to him, so he had to, drop, was all over the pitch. But I think he played really well, and with the absence of Mtutuzi Shabalala, he should fight for that position. And Flavio Silva, checking our front three, we didn't do much, just because of the way we played. We're playing very slow, building up very slow, hoofing the ball forward whenever we get pressed, and the mid block, so we didn't really give our front three a lot to do. But yeah, we got a goal, scrappy goal, lovely finish from Fundo Vilagazi. The subs, Ikotaro is still doing what he was doing last season, which is something I don't like. Him dropping deep, getting arriving late in the box. Yeah, Luke Bartman, not much from him. Didn't play, much time. I think he got like the last 10 or so. One delay Tuba had a quiet game. So yeah, overall, man, it was a dull game. It was a dull game for a friendly game, and yeah, our focus now is on Kruger. A competitive game, of course, the first game of the Betway Premiership, and yeah, let's see. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Smash a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm out.